Let's go, babe. If you want something, guys, message me your WhatsApp number. Let's go, babe. Karin, Jose Ignacio, hello to White House. Guys, come on, help me for my quota. Let's go. Nakalipat ka na, Justin. Sakit naman. Saka ng tuhod ko sa lab. Pag malamig.
Something I can't refuse. Slow burning desire. Running deep like the blues. Eyes like dark whiskey. Touch like velvet flame. Every drop I'm drinking still calls out your name. Slow down. Feel it. Every sip I take brings me back to you. Every breath I steal feels dangerously true. The flavor of the whiskey feels like your love tonight. Strong and always burning like a fire.
Anton, hello to you.
It runs inside my veins like a slow eternal
Hi,
flame.
James. Hello to you, James.
Every taste reminds me I can never break the chain. Burn, slow burn. Still remembers when the flavor of the whiskey feels like your love tonight. Strong and always burning like a fire in the night.
Bakit kaya? Anong bakit kaya? White House.
Like a slow eternal flame.
Reese, hello to you. Andy, hello. Lotus, hello to you, Lotus. Dad, hello to you. Golfy Saron, hello to you. SMB, hello SMB. Emmanuel, hello to you. Hi, Nix.
Baby, love was never meant to heal.
Ayaw pumasok
Baby,
message.
pain is all we
Hindi ko alam may White House. Saan ba?
Stay with me.
Gusto mo palo kita sa isang art? Wait lang. Hindi ko alam, Bebem. Ikaw na lang magbigay ng ano mo, WhatsApp ko. Wait lang.
Flavor of the whiskey.
Let's china ba?
It runs inside my veins like a never-ending thing.
Let's go na ba, Bebe? Siya.
Every taste reminds me.
Number dito ko ka. Ano? Wait ko lang sa'yo kasalis. Kasi pala yung number mo dito. Kuha kang 4 para rate ko lang sa'yo kasalis. Ano, be? Wala ka pang ano, be? Wala ka pang send, be? Sama na lang yung picture. Hi, Sha. Hello to you. Ko talaga. Saway ka. Picture mo na lang. Pick mo na lang, be. Nakalive ako. Kung may bayad, pwede. Call, hello to you. Wala pa nga ning bayad, Pepe.